step into the sound. Learn, can't hold back, can't stay still. Learn, Pies is rising now. Drum roll, break those strings.
How was that? Totally awesome, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make that. They're trying to shut it down. But AI just made music videos. No crew, no permission. Let's go. Step 1. Don't just use a prompt. Learn the structure. Instead of asking for lyrics like artist, study the way your favorite artist talks. What idioms do they use? What kind of metaphors show up in their best songs? What topics do they never touch? And which ones hit hard? Then use ChatGPT to generate lyrics using only that language. Pro. Tip. Add these 3 keywords to your Suno style box. Epic, catchy, emotional. Combine it with the universal 4-chord structure. C, G, A minor, F. It works in any genre. This is the same formula the industry's been milking for decades. This combo hits hard across genres. Works in gospel, EDM, rock, pop, you name it.
Yeah. You ever argue about your grass while the planet's on fire? Welcome to the suburbs, baby. Yo, A rules on my front porch, preaching. Meanwhile, the planet's got 3rd-degree lesions. Told me my bins ain't tucked in tight, while Antarctica's trying to book a red-eye flight. HOA rules on my front porch, preaching. Meanwhile, the planet's got 3rd-degree lesions. Told me my bins ain't tucked in tight, while Antarctica's trying to book a red-eye flight. Sun cooking lawns like eggs in June. Ice caps ghosting like a canceled tune.
Step 2. Use a custom or built-in voice. This is completely optional, but if you plan on releasing a whole album, then necessary tool. Create.musicfy.lol, upload your track and map it to a celebrity voice, Drake, Kanye, etc. Or skip the copyright worries and choose from their original voices. Many sound just as good, and they're 100% safe for long-term use. Pro. Tip. If you plan to monetize, use an original voice so your channel can scale without fear of takedowns later.
Yeah. You ever argue about your grass while the planet's on fire? Welcome to the suburbs, baby. Yo, A rules on my front porch, preaching. Meanwhile, the planet's got 3rd-degree lesions. Told me my bins ain't tucked in tight, while Antarctica's trying to book a red-eye flight. Sun cooking lawns like eggs in June. Ice caps ghosting like a canceled tune. Karen from next door talking property lines, while the Amazon's coughing up warning signs. Global warming my lawn again. Hedges melt while they yawn again. Ain't no shade, just corporate lies, but I'll trim this verse before we fry. Global warming my lawn again.
Step 3. Get the BPM and stems tool we're using. F.A.D.R, go to FADR.com/stems. Upload your track, and it'll break it into layers, vocals, drums, bass, piano, synth, whatever's in there. It also gives you the exact beats per minute, so you can line up every visual effect, clip, transition, text animation, and lyric drop perfectly with the music. It's like unlocking your song's blueprint, but instead of needing a studio, you just click, download, done. Step 4. Generate AI visuals. This is where the fun begins. First, go to CapCut with your song and put your song in there and generate the lyrics by clicking Text, Advanced, Lyrics, then pick whatever lyrics you want, and even if you don't want lyrics, then still do this step. Now that we have the lyrics and the timing for the lyrics, we can export the SRT file to know how long we need our clips for each section and areas that have no vocals. To get SRT file, click Export, uncheck Video, and click SRT. You can open this file with Notepad, then copy and paste into ChatGPT. Explain clip lengths with ChatGPT for the generator that you are using. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm your videos. Style, anime, cinematic, etc. Do you want moody and dramatic, fast-paced and glitchy, clean and cinematic? Lock that in first, then match everything to that vision. If you're going for quick, then just have ChatGPT give you clip length options according to the BPM that you got from F.A.D.R earlier, and each scene with automatically timed to the music. Use tools like Google VEO2 AI Free Video, Kling, or any text-to-video or image-to-video site. If you are using free sites, then use media.io to remove the watermarks, as it is now the best free tool for removing watermarks from videos. So after we paste our SRT file into ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to write cinematic scene prompts for each section of this song. Verse, chorus, drop, repeat. Now you've got a blueprint for your visuals, just like you did with the stems. And instead of renting a red camera and hiring a crew, you just paste, generate, render, done. Step 5. Build your video and sync it to the beat tools to use CapCut or Filmora or both. CapCut is best for syncing lyrics and Filmora is best for audio sync effects. Drop in your stems, your clips, your lyrics, and line them up and crop or change the speed to match the stems. Step 7. Strike while the system's still slow. You just built a full music video. Not rented, not outsourced, built. And here's what they don't want you to know. Some tools cost money, like CapCut Pro, Filmora, and a paid Suno plan if you want to monetize. But here's the real secret. You can still make a killer video for free using nothing but smart layering. CapCut has 2 script-to-video tools. One pulls footage straight from their stock library when you paste your lyrics in. The other uses AI to generate images you can slap B-roll effects on right in the free version of CapCut. Add in Vidnoz's free music video generator for a few flashy transitions and dancing crowd shots, watermark or not. Now you've got enough content to build a complete video for $0. Just stack the clips, align to your stems, add effects, and you're done. So, yeah, maybe you don't have Filmora. Maybe you can't pay for Suno yet. But if you've got an hour and a message, you can still drop a music video that the system can't stop. And that's exactly what we'll do in the next video. Make a music video in under an hour. Free tools only. Coming soon.
Step into the sound. Blur, heaven's breaking down. Blur, can't hold back, can't stay still. Blur, highs is rising now. Calling anti-dumping, break those strings. Calling a merit to place, fire rings. Hair can light on fire, can't be tamed. They're gonna make the whole world shout his name.
fear, just let it out. Our head, this is revival, shout it loud. Every step, every beat, we bring the sound. Dancing like a king, yeah, we shake the ground. But raise your hand, feel the sky. Let His Spirit multiply. In every heartbeat, we every breath, we David dance, and so will I. Hey, we won't stop. We let the walls fall down. Hold on, blast, every band's fade. Hold right, so deep. Try to contain the flame. Ready, flame, still the road. Now stop, bass up, all chain beat. We're even when they try to stop my praise. Lure, my hands are raised, no chains remain. Every trial, every fight, Lord, my dance is worship, this is life. Shot is flame, here we stay. Work doors, something. Dance like they dance. Dance like David. Yeah. Why did they dance like David? Feel the sound. Dance.